In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch pages in Wix. When you're building or editing a website in Wix, you'll often need to move between different pages, like your home page, about page, or contact page. Knowing how to switch pages quickly makes editing much smoother and helps you stay organized as you work. First, make sure you're inside the Wix editor. This is the main area where you design and customize your site. Once you're there, look toward the top of the screen on the left-hand side. You'll see a bar that shows the name of the page you're currently working on. This is often referred to as the page bar, and it's your main control for moving between pages. On that bar, there's a small downward-facing arrow next to the page name. This arrow indicates that there's a menu you can open. Go ahead and click on that little arrow. When you do, a drop-down list will appear, showing all the pages that exist on your site. This might include pages like Home, About, Services, Contact, or any custom pages you've created. Take a moment to look through that list so you can see all the pages available. This is helpful for getting a quick overview of your site structure. When you're ready to switch, simply find the page you want to edit in the drop-down and click on its name. As soon as you select a page, the Wix editor will load that page in the main editing area. You'll notice the content changes to match the page you chose, and the page name in the bar at the top left will update as well. From here, you can start making any changes you need, such as editing text, moving images, or adjusting layouts. If you need to move to another page, just repeat the same process. Click the small arrow on the page bar, choose a different page from the list, and wait a moment for it to load. Once you get used to this, switching between pages becomes very quick and almost automatic. That's all there is to it. By using the page bar at the top left, clicking the small downward arrow, and selecting the page you want, you can navigate through your entire Wix site and edit any page with ease.